Hey guys, it's Katie at scrappinkaty.ctmh.com, and I thought I would unbox some brand new goodies that will be available July 1st on my website, and I thought you could share in the excitement with me. So here we have, I got some re-inker. My daughter and I did a bubble technique that I saw Heidi Swap do. And let me pull a project. Super fun technique, and by the time I post this video, I will have already posted this process video, or I will pretty soon, so be looking out for that. But basically, you put re-inker in cups and then blow on them with straws. And this is what you come up with. And of course we did add some gold shimmer brush splatters, as well as some in the water. But isn't that just gorgeous? So I bought some more re-inkers to try that. I've got the new brushed line. This is one of the Bring Back Your Pack specials that Close to My Heart does periodically. And so I've got this one. Now this is good through the end of July. And let's take a look at how gorgeous this is. Now this is the full bundle, but you could also purchase things separately if you'd like. So there are two stamp sets. You can see the butterflies as well as the florals. And then you've got this wonderful paper packet. Now if you remember this paper from when we first released it, leave me a comment. I'm anxious to see number one, who has been with Close to My Heart and loved Close to My Heart products that long, and number two, I'm anxious to see how you like the new look. So basically we've updated the colors, and then right now Close to My Heart has the 12 by 12 sticker sheets, and so now by bringing this paper packet back, we were able to actually do one of these 12 by 12 sticker sheets. So you see you've got a lot of sentiments here, a lot of gorgeous watercolor florals. Here is a look at the papers. Now remember, Close to My Heart papers are double-sided and then have these wonderful zip strips or branding strips. And I love the ones that have words because I like to cut those apart and use those as titles. So we've got that. And then we've got these pretty ones. Oh, and just look at that floral. How pretty is that? And then of course if you buy the whole bundle, it does come with the cardstock, the coordinating cardstock as well. So again, you can buy the bundle or you can buy things separately. So I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to do this without making a mess that I'm going to have to pick up later. Sorry. We got some brand new papers. So I've got the mix-in coordinating cardstock and then the actual new mix-ins. And if you are a follower of my YouTube channel, you know that I love mix-ins. Look at those patterns. Now this not only is, it's just different kinds of stars as well as some tiny polka dots. I hope you can see that. And then the back side, oh that's fun. It almost makes a pattern. Ooh, I love that. Oh yeah, smoothie, that's pretty too. And then New England ivy and fern. If you're loving this, leave me a comment. Oh wow, I love anything graphic, anything notebook papery. Oh, I love that. And the good thing about the mix-ins is they, it's only $6.95 in the US. For all of these patterns, and they go so well together, as well as the paper packets in the catalog that they go with. And I'll be showing you those here in just a second. So I've got, our new line is called Timber, and I've got that coordinating cardstock, and then we've got a new line called Summer Vibes. So here is a look at Timber. And so you can see it's kind of the great outdoors. Again, double-sided paper. So if you're not feeling one side, you have the other. Oh, and look at that buffalo plaid that's so popular. And so Christmas in July, be thinking about Christmas cards. If you want to stock up on this paper right now, so you can be working on your Christmas cards, this would be a perfect opportunity to do that. And then, oh, that's so manly. But that would also be cute for like a little boy's room. Oh, and then of course the trees. Oh, and then I love that zip strip. So you've got that. And then you've got the summer vibes. Now again, our paper packets come with just the paper, or you can get it with the sticker sheet. So what I'm showing you here is just the paper. The sticker sheet is not included. And I usually like to buy one with the sticker sheet and one without, just because I love patterned paper, but I don't really need 2 sticker sheets. So you've got this one, so summery. Happy summer, chill out, flip-flops, watermelon, popsicles. Ooh, and this is pretty. Pretty. And then those tropical leaves. Oh, and then this is gorgeous. This would definitely be pretty. You could even fussy cut those flowers out. It would be pretty with some clear shimmer brush on top of those. Woo! And then yes, this is definitely going to be a must-have in all my summer albums. And believe me, I got plenty of summers to catch up on, if you know what I mean. Okay, so here is a look at the paper packet with the sticker sheet. So this is the timber. And look, stars shine brightest in the darkness. It's no myth, you're a legend. Channel the flannel. Oh, and then it's got all of these. So these are individually stripped sentiments. And then it's got these kind of bigger sentiments, and then of course that cute axe, and then that cute border right there. Okay, so that's the timber paper packet with the stickers, and then this is the summer vibes. Definitely feeling this. Oh, and can y'all get that? Look at the shine on those stickers. So if you remember, a couple of months ago we did the blue skies, and those stickers had that UV, that shine to them, and so close to my heart, decided to do that on these as well. I'm loving it. Look, I mean, so like these flip-flops, only the little thong part is shiny. I hope y'all can see that in this video. Okay, so there is the sticker sheet that comes with the paper packet. Let's look at some stamp sets. Okay, so this one goes with timber, and this one is with the thin cuts. So anything you see blue, there's also a coordinating thin cut. But the good thing is that if you don't have a die cutting machine to cut those thin cuts, you can purchase just the stamp set, and then you could fussy cut that. So I love that you have those options. And then this one goes with the summer vibes. Oh, look, no matter, home sweet gnome, nobody likes you like I do, or loves you like I do. Love you no matter what. Oh, that's cute. And then the timber card making. I've fallen for you, choppy birthday. Cute. Okay, let's look at what else. I'm gonna have to like clear some of this out. I didn't realize I had this much. So as a close to my heart consultant, the reason I'm getting this now is because I get a whole month, a preview month, that I get to actually order this stuff and use it and play with it before you guys can even order it. And so if you are interested in that, definitely check out my website. I'll leave a link down below, or you can leave me a comment and reach out to me on social media, and I'll hook you up. Okay, so the Summer Vibes card making workshop. So with the card making workshop, this is an exclusive stamp set. So you can't purchase just the stamp set. And again, it comes with the thin cuts automatically. Within the card kit, you cannot choose a stamp set that doesn't come with the thin cuts. But if you're getting it for free, go ahead. And then also we have one of the best die cutting machines that Close to My Heart invented. They finally got tired of doing a third-party machine where you kind of had to rely on the third party to have replacement mats and keep up with it. And so we finally did one. Now the only way to get it is by hosting a gathering. It can either be a Facebook gathering, it can be a home gathering, it can be a catalog party, whatever you want. But once your party reaches that third level, you can purchase the die cutting machine. So let's take a look at the card kit. So you'll make these 4 cards, and I believe you make 5 of each. Nope, 4 of each of 4 designs. And so it comes with this fully color illustrated guide. It will walk you through which papers to cut and what the dimensions are. And then it walks you through the patterns, and it tells you what to put where. Oh, I'm loving it. So cute, so summery. I mean, here in Texas, we've been in summer for months. So a card kit comes with colored cardstock as well as white daisy, and it also comes with some pattern paper, and it comes with all the card bases as well as the envelopes to make the 16 cards. And then because you own the stamp set, you could even make more just by adding extra paper. So here is the Timber Scrapbooking Workshop. Here's a look at the fully illustrated guide. Now, it comes with the full paper packet, cardstock, page protectors. Now, you can get it with memory protectors or without, depending on what kind of album you like. I always love to just get the one with memory protectors because I love my 3-ring binders that I use for our albums, and it just helps so much for me to complete the layouts, put them in the memory protectors, put them in the album, and forget about them. It comes with this stickers, and then it comes with this fully color illustrated guide. And again, much like the card workshop, it walks you through everything you need to do to create all of these layouts. Here is the Summer Vibes Scrapbooking Workshop. Now it comes with these. How cute is that? Super cute. So it comes with the fully illustrated guide, shows you how to make these adorable layouts, again with cutting diagrams and everything needed. And then that sticker sheet. Cute, cute, cute. I hope you guys are loving this as much as I am. Can't wait to play. Okay, so we have a new paper pal, and it's called the Beach Day, and this goes with our paper pal basically body set. So you would need it in order to make this work. But look how cute that is. Oh, and then I have a friend that just had a baby girl, and so I got the Cuttlebug Layout Kit. It makes, gosh, a lot of layouts. A lot. If you know anyone who's having a baby, we have a girl and we have a boy kit. And let me tell you, this is going to be the best gift they ever receive, because these are our cut above layouts. And so everything's pre-printed on the layout base for you. Everything is pre-cut. All you have to do is adhere it down and then attach your photos. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It comes with 10 2-page layouts. Isn't that just awesome? Okay. Well, that is my unboxing. Again, be watching this YouTube channel for process videos using some of these wonderful products. If you want to host a home gathering so you can get some of this free, let me know. If you want to become a consultant so you can be in on the next preview period, then drop me a comment or check out the link below and sign up to be one of my Stamp Paper Scissors team members. Thanks and have a great day.